negotiation to make sure that everybody gets some of what they want. What a contrast with the unrepresentative, winner-takes-all system we have at Westminster. It's also worth saying that while the European Parliament may not seem as powerful as the Westminster Parliament, it is actually a lot more democratic in terms of representing the wishes of voters. That's because all countries, including ours, use a proportional system for European elections. So the members of the Parliament more closely represent the wishes of the people than is true of the grossly unrepresentative House of Commons, to say nothing of the unelected House of Lords. All political systems are complex and you can always find flaws in them, but there is a lot of direct and indirect democracy in the way that European laws are made. I really am living proof of that. And if the structures look a bit unwieldy, that's because we're dealing with something more like a club of countries than a nation in its own right. The EU is a unique experiment in cooperation between countries. Of course it isn't perfect, and we're working all the time to improve it, but it is certainly not undemocratic.